Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new style by Jon Renau for fall 2024. This one is called Luna in the color 12 FS8. There is a lot to love and adore about this style, and the entire collection really is just gorgeous. Be sure to check these out at Wig Studio One. If you go below this video, there'll be some direct product links both to the Jon Renau collections and also this particular style. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So let's get started on this lovely Luna. It's absolutely adorable. A short little layered style that is to die for, all of the perfect layering. We have seen styles like this before from Jon Renau, such as Evan is one, and Ignite is another one that's in that family of styles. This one's a little bit different. This one shows you how far Jon Renau has come, both with their caps, permatease, realistic look, their lace, and their heat-friendly fiber from the HD fiber by Jon Renau, which stands for Heat Defiant. It is a light, fine, silky, luxurious feeling heat defiant fiber. I think gone are the days where it's really thick and sticky feeling. This one is really separated. It moves beautifully. Absolutely zero shine on either one of these. In the front, you're going to see about a 5-inch fringe. That is just enough to give you a little something around the face. A lot of us really appreciate that, especially on these shorter pixie styles. And then in the back, right around a 6-inch crown, that gives you a little bit of profile. And then that boils down into a 1.75-inch nape. It tapers down. It seems like it's very ample coverage. Everything about this cap seems luxurious to me. And guess what? It's just a lace front and open cap. I love that because there are very few really good lace front open cap wig styles out there. To me, sometimes a full mono top or a left mono part really gets lost in the mix and really isn't necessary. And this really helps keep that price down if you're not going with full monofilament, but you're not sacrificing any of the natural beauty. It weighs just around 2.4 ounces. This has that light, wispy density I think that we all crave because it feels better and it looks more natural. Now we have to talk about this cap. So right away, you're going to notice that this is an ear-to-ear lace. They call it ear-to-ear, but really it just extends back into the ear tab. It does not wrap around the ear, but it's absolutely stunning. They have done it so perfectly. This is the smart lace, and the fibers are so fine. Look there, it almost looks like there's some baby hairs because they don't knot every hole. It is every other hole or so there. And that gives it a nice wispy, natural looking hairline. And I'm hoping that they're all made like this because it's absolutely stunning. And you can definitely get some nice looks away from the face. So then you're going to see an open top, open west on the top, sides and back. And then we have an extended felted nape with the Velcro style adjusters. And this fits true to Jon Renau. If you're a Jon Renau fan, you know what I mean. This brand is like perfectly average, right? If I had to say what the perfect average cap is, it would be a Jon Renau. Now I have to cinch those in just a tad to accommodate a petite average circumference, but I should have to do that, right? It's an average cap. And if you let it out to its maximum, it should stretch to average large, around 22.5. So on Luna, you're going to find some permatease, but the permatease is not on the level of Ignite or Evan. It's much more selective in its placement, and it's very moderate. It is not a heavy, pillowy type permatease. Now, I can't wait to get my hands in this and just do all kinds of things with it. It's that versatile due to that fringe. I can create a part anywhere I want. I can go with a chic look.